Welcome students. In this video we're going to look at the following limit. So it says that the limit as x approaches infinity of x to the 1 over x. Notice, like I said in another videos, you cannot really plug in infinity, but you can give an idea if you think about it. As x approaches infinity, this becomes infinity. So this becomes infinity, and then 1 over x, when x approaches infinity, becomes 0. But remember, this is not the right limit, because this is an indeterminate form. So what you have to do is do something like this. You set this equal to y, and then you take the log on both sides. So what you do is like this. You take log of x of y is equal to log of lim as x approaches infinity of x to the 1 over x. And then by continuity you can do like this: lim as x approaches infinity of log of x to the 1 over x. Log of x. So then this becomes log of x of y is equal to lim as x approaches infinity of 1 over x, because log of x to the x becomes 1 over x. And now taking the limit, this becomes, as x approaches infinity, the limit becomes 0. Okay, so now we need to go back to, we need to solve for y. So the way we do it is we do the opposite. We go back to exponent. So x to the log of x of 1 is equal to x to the 0, and that's equal to 1, and this is equal to y. So y is equal to 1. So what that means is that the limit, which is equal to the original question, which is the limit as x approaches infinity of x to the 1 over x. So this is our final answer. The final answer is 1. Thank you very much.